Hey friends, welcome back to my channel. I am Nkoya, aka Ndi Naija. Ja. Enough with the dancing, but I'm excited tonight. It's time to update my power sheets. And I'm not doing it from the car this time. I am not. I am doing it from the nice, cluttered section of what is now my office. Doesn't matter where, stuff has to get done. It just has to get done. All right. So this is what October looked like. This was October. I said I had to push. Yes. And my top priority was decluttering. I made I think it was in the mid-month. Yes, it was in the mid-month update for the power sheets that I showed you guys a little clip of the bags that I had packed up to donate. So that was good. Next was for me to change my tires. That didn't work, or I didn't get that done. I didn't need to, so I've pushed it another month. I don't think I put it in November. No, I didn't put it in November, but it's going to be there. Part of the reason I'm stalling a little bit on the tires is because I need to change my spark plugs. And for this particular car, can't wait to get my 4Runner. In this particular car, it costs about 700 bucks. Note to self, don't get a Kia. All right, wash and detail car, that happened. Check and change air filter, that happened. Look into cleaning my air ducts. I looked into it, they didn't need to be cleaned. That's it. Finish Dad's project. That was moved to November. Email Chameleon. These are the folks who I got these pens from. The color changing pens. Yep. So I was supposed to email them because I don't believe I got most of the primary colors. I got colors that were just off, really close, but not, and it was so annoying. So I haven't used them in a while. Still haven't emailed them yet, but that's been pushed to November. Make vacation memories video from our cruise in May. I don't know about that. I think I'm just going to push that until December. I should probably write that on a sticky note, actually, so that I don't forget. Using my Erin Condren sticky notes. And what was that? Vacay Memories video. Okay. All right. Weekly tasks or weekly goals. I was to journal. I journaled the first, fourth, and fifth weeks of October. Ooh, November. Can you imagine? It's almost over. I want to look at the calendar again to see what the dates were. One, two, three. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Yeah. So the first, fourth, and fifth weeks I journaled. Weekly family activity. We didn't do anything on the fifth week. I don't recall us doing anything on the fourth week, so I'm just going to have it as the first and the third week. Rest. I think I did very well for resting. Weekly inventories and meal tracking. That one completely dabarude. It went off the rails. It just crashed, landed. I wasn't with it. I really was. It didn't work this month, or last month, rather. This is November. Ooh. It did not work in November. I mean, oh, Lord Jesus. It didn't work in October. November, I have to do better. Yes. And there is a reason. Why do I have to do better? Because it feeds back into my objective, desire, and plan to lose weight. Eat better, lose weight. eat better, feel better, lose weight. All right. And the morning and evening routines, all those I've been tracking in my EC habit tracking notebook, and they've gone pretty well. They've gone pretty well. I think I'll have to show you guys what it looks like when it's done. So yeah, I'll get to ticking. And here is the top-down view of this. I put in, or you guys saw when I was marking some of this, journaling that, and this is all the weekly activities. I don't need to go through it again. And these are the dailies. You can see a couple of holes. Where the dots are in the routines are where I did less than half the items on the routine. So I have about 5 or so items in each routine. And and this is my Erin Condren habit tracking notebook, which you saw a few seconds ago. But these are the items. Gratitude, I mean, pretty much non-existent. So I have to do better with that. And I just saw a great idea which will flow with my using my monthly spread for my gratitude. I'll see if that works for this month of November. But that's basically it. The daily actions, items, and habits which I need to shore up so that I can get to my goals. You have to work on something every single day, no matter how small, because before you know it, you aggregate a month's worth of work, a year's worth of work, and you'll see great results. So that's it. I'll see you face up in a few seconds. All right, I'm back. So, routines. I would give myself a C plus for effort. B. Between you and me, how about B? No? No? Not that it matters anyway. I just have to keep going and I have to continue and get these things down, wrote. Get them down. Get them down. Evening routines went okay. Also a C for effort. My salads went pretty well. Iron, I'll give it an E for effort. And my gratitude was just all the way, just went down the drain. And it's possible that I'm trying to do too many things at once, trying to build too many habits at once. And it's advised that you stack your habits, something you're already doing or already winning in, just put the one you want to add just right next to it. Just gum the two together. Put them together and get going. And that's it. Thank you so much for joining me. Tell me what you think. I'll try and cut this area out. Cut this area out. Anyway, time to go. Thanks y'all for watching me. And watch my goal series. Our next video is coming up at the end of this week.